I'm Jerry.
Hi, I'm Bob.
And a cow named Betsy let us borrow her eyeballs for a cow dissection. And here are some tools you'll be needing for this little experiment.
A very sharp razor.
Some safety scissors.
And a very sharp knife.
And a surface to work on. And most of all, cow eyeballs! Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to cut off this red and white stuff, which is called the excess fat. And as you can see, it helps it stay in place and everything. But, as you can see, when a human, when they try to see, their head is straight. When a cow tries to see, they move left and right to try to see. And now I'm going to cut off the excess fat. Okay, so technically this stuff here. I want to cut that. And then we'll. Okay. Should we use the knife? Gosh, we're bad at this. This is not working that well. Oh, I have an idea.
As you can see,
we're having trouble with
the fat
this.
is really tough.
There's a lot of layers. We're just going to use the razor. Cut off all this grossness. Put it down on the table. Not even this works. And now we're going to cut off the cornea. Need help with that?
So deflated that it can't.
There. I have to cut off this part, just this part. Not that part right here.
Just so.
And now this is the pupil. As you see, if we just lightly rip this stuff off, black stuff, you can maybe hear me if you listen quietly cutting through the layers of the cornea. If you can see, this is the iris, and we're going to cut off the pupil, which is the black stuff, for in an eye. But in the cow eye, it is an oval, but in your kind of eye, it's a circle, the black stuff of the hole. Now, if you want to do is you rip this off lightly. This is the pupil that lets light in
To your eye.
To your eye. Now what she's going to do is he is going to pull out the jelly and have the eye. And this is the part where it makes you see. It's kind of like a magnifying glass. As we just rip all the jelly out. The gloves are in the way, so. But you can kind of see me. As you see, this is the lens. It's kind of like an onion because it grows layers every year. And also kind of like a magnifying glass. If I get all this goo off, I can show you. It kind of grows in with the words. And that's with the lens.
Oh, check this out. It kind of works as a magnifying glass. Magnifying glass.
Now I'm going to show you where the retina is. I'm just going to pull out the rest of the vitreous humor, put it in this tray. And now, if you can just see the retina hanging right there. Okay. This is how the retina hangs from one spot. That's considered your blind spot. And also, the cone cells conduct your color, and the rod cells help you to see.
See this? This is the optic nerve. The optic nerve sends the images to your brain. See, it kind of looks like the top of an ice cream. Ice cream.
Oh, and then the tape tum, which is kind of over here, is the colorful shiny material located behind the retina, which is over here somewhere. And it also is for the animal's night visions. Only animals have. So today was our cow dissection experiment. And if you have any questions about this experiment, check with the scientists in the classroom. Yeah.